everyone, we're back! Today we're gonna make 3 types of ribs in a 3-part video. First episode, salt and pepper ribs. First we're going to need some ribs, duh, and make sure you give it a good wash to get rid of any old blood and bone fat. Next we are going to soak the ribs in some Chinese wine? Wait, can I have some wine?
The alcohol burns once you cook it.
Oh. Prep time! Onions! Make sure you peel the first layer off before you start chopping. Garlic. Jalapenos. I dare you to eat one, Cloud.
If you get 100 likes, I'll take a bite of one.
Alright, bet. These are the main dry ingredients we will use. Salt, pepper, brown sugar, and then add a bit of spicy bacon mix. Using a deep pan or wok, pour a generous amount of oil for deep frying. We recommend using canola, vegetable, or corn oil. Please be very careful. Our deep fry station is outside of the house, and my dad is a trained professional. Kind. If your ribs are not completely under the oil, use a ladle and pour some on the areas, or you can cut the ribs into a size that can fit in your hand. Once the ribs is golden brown, take it out of the oil. Place it on a resting rack and lightly season it immediately. Now for the toppings. Cook the garlic and sweat the jalapenos and onions.